Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to unbox and review the MelodySusie SproF Nail Dust Collector Fan. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So it comes with the warranty information and then the instruction manual. So make sure to keep this and not lose it. This one is the power cord and the nail dust collector. This is the SproF nail dust collector fan, which is available in two colors, purple and white. So I picked the purple one. So as you see, the cover is very stylish. I really love it, and it is magnetic. And this one is the filter. It is washable filter, so you can reuse it again. And the turbo fan, and next is the on and off button and the suction button. And here is the large ventilation hole to prevent overheating even during extended use. Okay, now so it's time to try out this SproF nail dust collector and see how it works. So the first thing to do is plug in the power adapter. Next is turn it on by pressing the on and off button. Next is press the same button to see the suction control. So as you see, those three lights indicates the low, medium, and high suction control. So I'm about to remove gel polish using MelodySusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. The SproF Nail Dust Collector Fan is the MelodySusie's most powerful nail dust collector ever. It is designed to achieve 100% vacuum efficiency. This nail dust collector effectively captures nail dust and fly ash from 360 degrees, ensuring a clean, breathable workspace for you and your clients. It is designed with adjustable suction powered by a high-quality turbo motor. This nail dust collector offers smooth and comfortable operation while filing. The touch control panel allows effortless switching between low, middle, and high suction levels with just one touch. It is designed with large ventilation holes. This unit ensures continuous heat dissipation, preventing overheating even during extended use. So as you see guys, the blue gel polish dust goes to the nail dust collector filter. And this is just the low suction, so this is really shows that it is very powerful. So if you notice my wrist, it's comfortable because the wide surface and tapered edge provide a comfortable wrist rest. Back ensures stability and preventing unwanted movement. The SproF Nail Dust Collector offers 4,500 RPM of powerful suction for a cleaner experience, capturing dust and debris effectively. With 3 adjustable settings, low, medium, and high, it ensures quiet and customized performance. It is designed with heat-dissipating vents to prevent overheating and extend lifespan. It also features an automatic shut-off for safety. So this is the low suction. Next is the medium suction. And the next is the high suction. So as you see, it is really powerful. Featuring a magnetic cover and washable filter, cleaning is effortless. Simply remove the filter and clean it with a hair dryer or a dust brush. No need for frequent replacement. It is basically reusable. So I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store, or use the code ROSEDIY13. The sleek design includes a touch-sensitive button for easy control, combining power, functionality, and style for any workspace. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.